Today I'm going to show you how to access and make tabs in a Google Sheet. For this particular video, we are going to utilize the Teacher's Weekly Work Report worksheet that we will be completing weekly to support what we were doing for distance learning. If you go to the folder, double-click, and open the file, you will see the Teacher's Weekly Report show up in your screen. To make a copy after you type in all of your stuff, and it's all good in there, and my name is there. I'll just type that, and then we're going to put March 30th to April 3rd. So my plans are in, and I've got it linked. If you want to do that, I can show you in another video. But to make a copy by Friday at 3, you're going to hover over the tab at the bottom. You're going to right click, and you're going to click the word duplicate. When you do that, all it does is takes everything on this tab and it makes it in a new tab, and you're going to rename that tab week of April 5th and hit enter, and there you go. So now these two sheets are able to continue to add to. Try it for yourself.